Hello and welcome to the PowerShell with Azure series, and today we are going to change the size of Azure VM with the help of PowerShell. We'll talk about in case if it doesn't allow or in case we do not have the desired VM size, then what to do, and if the machines are in a vset, we know different site it would not accept, then we see what we can do. Okay. All right, so this is my resource group. I need to get this in the variable, and this is my VM name to get this in variable. Okay. Always remember, if you want to learn PowerShell, work from PowerShell, everything. If you don't know, try to figure it out with the help of things I'm telling you, or with the help of PowerShell help. Even though if you couldn't figure it out, only then you go to the search engine, but don't open the portal. Otherwise, you'll handicap yourself in the learning of PowerShell. Okay. So let's check the VM size of this VM that I have right here. I've told you how to get the VM size with the dot notation, if you remember. So what will we do? We'll do get AZ VM resource group. That would be dollar resource group. Why it's not coming? Oh, there it is. My IntelliSense seems slow, or I don't know what's the reason. Let's come to the point. Then we need to give the name. Okay. VM name. There would be dollar VM name. Cool. We gotta run it. Now we can figure out everything with the help of dollar notation. Dot hardware profile. If you run it, you see standard D1 V2. Okay, cool. If you need the only VM size, you can type VM size. It will give you without the headers, right? This thing would help us to change the VM size. That's why I showed you. Okay, now quickly get the sizes that are available for this VM. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, let me copy this. It will help us to create the command, because we need the information for the same resource group for the same VM, but instead of get AZ VM, we need get AZ VM size. Got it. If I run it here, then we have all the sizes available for this VM. Cool, and we can change it. All right, so right now, what was the size? It was D1 V2. Let's try to change it to standard A1. Okay, so what we need to do, if we need to change the size, we need to go here, or let's use the same and do is equal to, put the new VM size. Let's do standard. Which one? The first one, the small one. Standard A1. Okay, let's run it. Cool. Now we need to update the VM with the new size. So we got to run update AZ VM. Okay. Now what's the VM name? What is the VM? That would be dollar $VM. We need the entire information, not just the name. So resource group, we already have dollar resource group. Okay. So we are going to update this VM with the new size. So let's run it and see what happens. It should update the VM. Okay, meanwhile, let me tell you something. If your desired size is not listed here under the get AZ VM size, then what all you can do? Then you need to deallocate the VM and try it. Okay. Now, in case of availability set, so the new one is done, it is okay. Now, if we go and check the new size, let's see what it gave us. Standard A1. That's how it is done. So very simple command, but don't forget to update the VM and don't forget to figure out the size availability. Okay, if it is not there, you gotta deallocate the VM and try it again. Now, the thing is, if you need to resize the VM in an availability set and it is not allowing you, it's not giving you the size, then you gotta deallocate all the VMs inside the availability set and then change it. Okay. So to change it, you can put the for each loop if you have multiple VMs, or if you have only two VM, you can do manually. We'll cover the loops in future for sure. Okay. Well, as of now, that's all about it. Resizing a VM. Thank you very much. You have a good day. Bye-bye.